Hi friends, today's video we are going to look how to hide subscribers in YouTube by way of using mobile as well as laptop or computer, whatever it may be. Okay, this will be very useful for your video for the beginners as well as for the those who are having high subscribers. Suppose if it is useful, you can subscribe my channel as well as you can click a bell icon and you can select for all option. Then only you will get all notification whenever I am posting for new videos. Okay friends, let me go inside. Hi friends, now you can open Chrome browser. Okay, you can type it for YouTube dashboard. That is what showing over here. Then first link YouTube studio you can click, and you can click continue to studio, as well as in the right hand corner 3 dotted line you can select for desktop site. Okay, before opening this site you have to check it again, it is opening for desktop site or not. That you should enable if it is disabled. Okay, right now it has been opened for the YouTube. Suppose YouTube studio, suppose if you're having 3 or 4 channel, and which channel you want to hide, okay, that respective channel you have to open it. Okay, after opening, see over here I have opened respective channel only. It is showing only 9 subscribers. Okay, this one only I want to hide. So how we can hide, that is what we are going to look. That is very important. Which channel you want to hide, that respective channel you have to open it. Rest of other channel you have to switch off. Okay, and you have to come down in the left side corner at the bottom. Okay, at the bottom it will show some settings menu. Okay, you have to select for settings. See that simple will be showing settings. You have to select that settings. Under that setting, what you have to do, you have to select for channel, general, and second menu will be channel. That channel you have to select. In this you have to click advanced settings. In the second menu available, no, basic info. Next one will be advanced setting. That one you have to click. And over here you have to come down in the right side corner. You can check that is a save tab will be there. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to come down for the same advanced settings. There should be option like subscribers count. Okay, see here subscribers count will be available. It has mentioned, it is already ticked, right? Disable the number of people subscribed to my channel. So what you have to do, you have to remove this tick and you have to save the settings. Okay, after removing, what you have to do, in the right side corner save menu will be there. Okay, the save tab, just you can click a save. Once saved, the settings will be saved on your mobile. And after that, what you have to do, just you can go and look in the website YouTube normally, and make sure same YouTube account you should not be sign in. Okay, for a normal account or else some other account, you have to check it. That time only it will appear. See here, same account not available, it will be not signed anything else, and right now it's showing no subscribers. Okay, this is a way you have to hide your subscribers for the beginners in order to get more subscribers in your account. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for everyone. If it is helpful, please subscribe and like and share to your friends. Bye.